Wake up! Wake up! It's finally match day. The Blue Lions are gonna win today. Keep it down, Leo. It is only 7 o'clock.
But Maya, the game starts soon.
Did you hear that? The delivery is here. Our new team jerseys. Hurry up, Maya. I am running as fast as I can. Look at the big box. It says Express Sports on it. I ordered them myself. They are perfect. The best blue jerseys for the best team. Okay, big brother, open it up. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Look, Leo, I have the special face paint. Wow, shiny blue and bright white. Hold still, Leo. Don't move your face. It tickles, Maya. Hurry up, please. Ta-da! You look like a real lion now.
Let me see. Is it cool?
My turn. I will paint a giant lion on you. Oh dear. Please be careful, Leo. Oops. My hand slipped a little bit. Leo, where did you put the paint? Fixed it. Now we are a real lion team. Roar! We are ready for the match. Now, let's finally open the jersey box. Yes! Time to put on our team colors. Wow! Look at that bright blue shine. It feels so soft and smooth. Check it out. It is so cool and shiny. This is definitely the winner's outfit. The pattern looks a bit different, Leo.
It is the new special edition, trust me.
One for you, one for me. Let's go change. Yay! Let's put them on right now.
Look at us. We are the ultimate fans.
We match perfectly. Dad is calling. Grab the cheer banner. Got it. Let's run to the door. Lions, Lions, let's roar today. Let's go win the big game. Wow, look at the sun. The weather is perfect.
Let's run to the bus stop, Leo.
Look, the fan bus is here. It is completely full of blue color.
Good morning. 3 tickets for the match, please.
We are ready to cheer, Captain.
Look at everyone, Maya. Everyone is wearing blue.
Yes, we all match together. Give me 5, Maya. Go, team, go! Look, I can see the stadium dome. It is huge, Maya.
Here we are, kids. Let's get off the bus.
Time for the Blue Lions. We are so close. Hear the crowd. Wait, the sky is getting dark. Oh, a raindrop landed right on my nose. It is starting to rain. It is just a little drizzle. No problem. Leo, your lion stripes are melting.
Under here, kids. Protect your face paint.
Thanks, Dad. It is getting messy. Let me just wipe it. Wait, oh no. Leo, your whole face is completely blue. Am I okay? Let me check. Oops.
Now you look like a blue alien, too.
Where is the mirror? I want to see my stripes. Over there. Look at the big glass. Oh my goodness. Look at my face. I am a total blue monster. You look like a big blue blueberry.
Hey! Look at your nose first, Maya.
Oh no, my nose has a big blue mustache. so silly, Leo.
Don't worry, my little monsters. Let's wipe it.
Can you save my lion look, Dad?
Wow! It looks like professional warrior paint now.
We are the cool blue team.
The match is starting. Let's get to our seats.
Hear the stadium roar, Leo. Wow! Look at the big green field. It is so bright and beautiful.
Our seats are right here in row 10.
Let's sit down quickly, Dad. We have a great view from here. Time to show our banner, Leo. Leo, look at their shirts. They have sharks on them.
Sharks? Where?
They are all looking at us, Maya. Why are they staring?
Maybe they just love your warrior face paint.
Are you sure, Dad? Wait, this is the ocean shark section? Leo, you bought the wrong team jerseys.
Oh.
No way! Look at the logo, Leo. It is a shark. Oh, a shark badge, not a lion.
But they are both blue.
Lions have vertical stripes, Leo. These are horizontal.
I guess I made a big mistake too, children.
We both mixed it up, Dad. And look at our banner. It says, "Go Sharks."
Oh man, everything is mismatched.
They are laughing, Maya. They are not mad. They are actually super friendly. Oh.
No!
Way! Look at the logo, Leo. It is a shark.
Oh,
A shark badge, not a lion. But they are both blue. Lions have vertical stripes, Leo. These are horizontal.
I guess I made a big mistake too, children.
We both mixed it up, Dad. And look at our banner. It says, "Go Sharks."
oh man, everything is mismatched.
They are laughing, Maya. They are not mad. They are actually super friendly. Wait, I have an amazing idea. We can blend both teams together. We can use our old blue lion stickers and stick them right over the sharks. Look, I found a lion badge too. Perfect. Pass it over here. Press it down gently, like this. Wow, it fits perfectly. We are the Lion Sharks now, the coolest team. Nobody has a jersey like this. Now your hat is a hybrid too, Maya. Yay! Double power for cheering. Look, everyone loves our new custom style. They are cheering with us now. The whistle blew. Here we go. Go, Lion Sharks. Fight, fight, fight. Lions roar. Sharks bite. We are the blue wave tonight. Clap your hands, left and right. Blue is strong. Blue is bright. 1, 2, 3, shout out loud! Look, the whole crowd is shouting.
Look at me! I am the Lion Shark King!
Go, Dad, go! The giant wave is coming. Stand up! Up, up, and away. Wow, the big shark is coming to us. Give him a lion shark hug.